troubleshooting a dishwasher that powers on but does not run. If your LG dishwasher powers on but will not run, we have 5 troubleshooting questions that can help you resolve the issue. Let's begin. Question 1. Does the timer count down 4, 3, 2, 1 repeatedly? If no, proceed to question 2 at 1:06. If yes, check the top mount brackets for any large gaps between the top of the dishwasher and the kitchen counter. If a large gap is present, it indicates that the unit was not properly installed and leveled. If the unit is not leveled, then the door switch may not engage to confirm that the door is properly shut, causing the unit to not start. Adjust the dishwasher leveling legs to reduce the space, and then restart the cycle to check if the issue was resolved. If you did not see a large gap, there is likely an issue with the door latch. Please contact LG to schedule service. Question 2. Is the dishwasher door held slightly ajar? If no, proceed to question 3 at 1:40. If yes, the door must be shut completely for the unit to begin operation. If the door will not shut completely, check to ensure that nothing in the racks is blocking it. Also ensure that the unit is leveled, as this can prevent the door from shutting completely. The dishes may need to be rearranged, or in some cases the unit may need to be re-leveled to correct the issue. Question 3. Has the child lock been turned on or accidentally activated? If no, proceed to question 4 at 2:23. If yes, when the child lock function is activated, the unit will stay on, but the buttons on the control panel will not work. If the child lock indicator is lit or the display shows a CL, then the function is engaged. You can disable the function by pressing the spray and rinse buttons simultaneously for 3 to 5 seconds. This step can vary by model, so please refer to the owner's manual for specific instructions. Question 4. Was the delay wash function activated on this cycle? If no, proceed to question 5 at 2:59. If yes, when the delay wash is activated, the unit will be on but will not run. Check the display for numbers 1 to 24 or H01 to H24, which vary by model. If the display shows one of these types of indicators, the cycle will not begin until a time has elapsed. To cancel this function, either press the delay wash button until the number reaches 0, or cancel the wash cycle. Question 5. Is the dishwasher connected to the power supply? If yes, then it is possible that the unit powered down mid-cycle because the circuit breaker tripped. This could be caused by either the circuit breaker being undersized to support the electrical requirements of the unit, or because the circuit breaker is not dedicated to the dishwasher, meaning that other appliances are powered on the same breaker. You can check to see if the dishwasher is on a dedicated circuit breaker by tripping its circuit breaker. If any other appliances in the room lose power, then the unit is not on a dedicated circuit breaker. Be sure that the circuit breaker is dedicated to the dishwasher at 120 volts, 60 Hz AC only with a minimum 15 amp breaker. You may need to have a qualified electrician install a dedicated breaker for the dishwasher. If the unit powers on at this time, continue to use the unit as normal and monitor for any unusual symptoms. Keep in mind that the unit will shut off if the cycle is not started properly. After selecting a cycle, if the start button is not pressed within 4 minutes, the power will shut off automatically. And if the door is open during a cycle, the power will shut off automatically if the start button is not pressed within 4 minutes. If you need additional assistance, please visit lg.com/us/support.